guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the new 2022 Target Advent calendars to show you. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So today I went to my local Target and they now have these available. Normally every year they always come out with the 12 days of beauty. That's what this one is. But this year they actually came out with the 12 days of skincare as well. So I had to get both of them. I'm going to show you both of them in case you're interested in purchasing one for yourself or for a gift idea. You will know what's inside and which one or both to grab. They were both $20 each. I'm going to go ahead and remove the plastic to both of them first, and then I want to dive into this one. Since they didn't have this one last year, we'll open this one first. So let me remove the plastic. Okay, so I removed the plastic, definitely a lot better so you don't have all of that glare with them. So again, let's go with this one first. So this is the front of it, and then you just push them out. It's all perforated. On the back, it does go over all of the items. So if you saw this in the store and you wanted to know what was in it, you could read and kind of see exactly what was in it, but we're gonna find out. So let's start with number 1. And again, it's just push the little perforation. And down inside of here, what are you? Ooh, it's by Bliss. That's a good brand. I like Bliss products. And it says it's a Clear Genius Clarifying Toner plus Serum. Ooh, a serum toner? Wow, okay. I've never seen that. And then this one does have like the little top where you just push down and get it like on your cotton ball or your cotton round or whichever. So that is really neat. I've never tried that and I'm really, really excited. So that's an amazing product already in number 1. Number 2 is by Proactive. It says green tea moisturizer. It says directions: apply daily as needed to elevate dryness. It can be worn alone or under makeup. So there's that you can try out for the green tea moisturizer. I'm all for skincare, so I love trying new things. Number 3, where are you? Up here. So number 3. Okay, we have a La Roche-Posay. Is that how you say it? This is a triple repairing moisturizing cream. Let's see how small it is on the inside. Oh, okay. Sometimes with this brand, it has a box this size and you pull it out and it's like not even half this size of a tiny little thing inside. So at least this one actually like fits the box. So there's that. And again, that is the triple repairing moisturizing cream, which that is a really good brand as well. So we're starting off great. Number 4 is this big guy in the middle. Ooh, Nexus. This is a hair mask. It says intense moisturizing. Yes, hydrating hair mask. Protein and green caviar. Yes, so you have a hair mask. I love hair masks. This says for dry hair on the back, but I absolutely love a good hair mask, and that is a good brand. I use their shampoo and conditioner every now and then. I always switch and alternate. I don't like to keep it all the same, but that is one that I do alternate from, so it's great to see. Now let's go with number 5. And I love these little mighty patches. I'm going to put this one in a future giveaway pile though for one of you guys to enjoy. Plus I am going to be doing that advent calendar. So I might just shove these in one of those doors because I have the full packages of these. This is Your Blemish Hero, the Mighty Patch Duo. And it has 6 original and 6 invisible. So 6 would be the 6 regular for like night. And then the 6 invisible would be if you want to wear them during the day so they're harder to see. And I absolutely love these. When you see a pimple coming on, you put it over it. I put it on at night on a clean face, go to bed, I wake up and it's like sucked all the nasty stuff out, does the hard work for me, and it makes them go by so much faster. So I'm glad that this is in here, but again, I will set that in a future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy. Number 6, and I like these colors on here too. Number 6 is, ooh, this is Vinci Laboratories. This one's going to be a small one inside. Mineral 89 Booster. It says it is a 3 ml fortifying and plumping daily booster. And yes, So here is this little guy, and it's filled up to just right there. If you see that line, it's not any higher than that. It's right there. So you do have that to test out, which again, that is a great brand as well. Number 7, right here. So we're almost done with this one, and then we'll head to the other one. Oh, I actually do, well, I now am not using these because I found a different brand that's stronger, but I was using these, the Sugar Bear Sleep, and they are gummies. And it's cool that you do have this little thing to try out. How many are in here? 10. There's 10 of them in here, so that would be like 5 days. If you take both of them, if you take 2 at night, that'd be for 5 days worth. That's awesome. Number 8. Okay, so this is the Acure Welcome to Skin Wellness Brightening Facial Scrub. And that is a good size, and that is a good brand. These are some really good brands this year. Let's see, number 9. Okay, this one says BYOMA Creamy Jelly Cleanser. It says green tea, licorice root, boosted barrier, better skin. So there's that. Hydrate and brighten is what it says, and the actual product is right there. So there's that guy to try out. Number 10, you right here. Ooh, Burt's Bees Gentle Cream Cleanser with Aloe Sensitive Solutions. Moisturizes while gently removing dirt, oil, and makeup. That's a great brand too, Burt's Bees, and I've never tried one of their cleansers, so I'm actually excited to try that. And this is full to right there. It's halfway. Basically where that line is right there, that's where the product is inside. So now we have number 11, and then there'll be one left and we can get into the other one. Number 11 is, it says a space bar, Mega Babe Space Bar, Detoxifying Charcoal Underarm Bar. So for your armpits, I never knew there was a soap bar just for underneath your armpits, but there you go. You have a soap bar for under your arms. Now let's go with number 12 by Corelle. It is the Ultra Healing Lotion. Yep, it says intensive lotion for extra dry, tight skin. Helps to repair 2 times faster. So for the self-care, you got this lotion, you have a cleanser, you have a facial scrub, you have a moisturizer, you have a toner, which is also a serum. You have this, which, what was this again? A jelly cleanser. You have an armpit bar. You have some pimple patches. You have the hair mask, sleep gummies. You have the Fortifying and Plumping Daily Booster and the Triple Repair Moisturizing Cream. Let's go ahead and dive into the 12 Days of Beauty. Beauty, that's what it is. And again, this one has a value over $66. So this one should have this one is a higher value. The other one was $59. So this is what this one looks like without that thing in the front. Very, very nice and pretty. I like those colors as well. And I like that they're completely different. Like the other one was more like pastels, and these are a little bit deeper colors. I like that. So let's go with door number 1. Door number 1, it's probably a dry shampoo, but it's backwards. Yes, this is Collab Dry Shampoo Original. Amazing all absorption without white residue. So this right here I will save for one of you guys because I do not use dry shampoo, but I will put that in a future giveaway pile for one of you guys to enjoy. Number 2 is right here. Number 2, we have something from NYX. It is a matte finish. Okay, so it's like a finishing makeup setting spray. So you have a setting spray, and that's a good size too because you just need a little couple sprays will do ya. So you got NYX setting spray. Number 3 is this little one right here. It's like, what is that? That is a little one. Okay, so this says, oh, Winky Lux. And what is it? Unibrow Precision Universal Brow Pencil by Winky Lux. So that's the size. And then if you open it up, there is like the brow product right there inside. All right, so you have a Winky Lux brow product. I'm not sure what color, but it looked like a brownish color inside. So we'll go with number 4. So number 4 is a Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. Strengthens, heat protections, and reduces frizz. So you have this hair product. There's that. I'll probably put that in a future giveaway for one of you guys because I think I received that same product from another box at some point and I don't even know if I really even used it. I don't use a lot of product. I don't really use any products in my hair other than shampoo or conditioner. So anything that I get, I always just save and pass down to you guys. It's a win-win. So now let's go with number 5 right here. Number 5 is an e.l.f. product and it says Hydrating Core Lip Shine. Oh, okay. So it is just, it's cherry. It's a lip shine, kind of like a little chapstick. And the top of it has like a, I don't know if you can see that because I'm probably going to save this for one of you guys, but it has like a little heart. There's like a heart right down in there. That is so cute though. So there you are. You have this product again by e.l.f. Hydrating Core Lip Shine in cherry flavor. That was 5. Number 6, another product by e.l.f. It says it is a putty blush in Bahamas infused with argan oil and vitamin E. That's neat. I haven't seen a putty blush. I've seen their putty primers, but I haven't seen a putty blush. So there's that. I don't use blush, so this will go saved for one of you guys as well. Number 7 is right above it. Ooh, and another product by e.l.f. It says Bite Size Face Duo Spiced Apple. Get on the go cheek glow with this highlighter and blush duo. Okay, so it's a blush and highlighter duo. So highlighter and blush. So there's 2 different blushes. There's a blush, putty blush, and then a regular blush with a highlighter. Number 8 is right here. We have a makeup eraser. I absolutely love makeup erasers. That's the first thing because I double cleanse. So first I start with the cleansing balm and I use my makeup eraser to get everything off and then I use a cleanser in the shower. But I always use a makeup eraser. So I'll probably save this for one of you guys to test out because I have quite a few of them. You wash them, you reuse them, and they last for a very long time. It says it is a mini, so I wanted you to see how big it is. It comes down in here. It is all protected. I'll roll it back up and put back in there. But that is still a really great size to get everything off. You do have to wash them first. So if you've never used one of these, make sure you drop it in the washer first or else it's not going to work for you. You're going to be like, what in the world is she talking about? This ain't getting nothing off. You need to wash it first to activate it. I don't know what kind of witchery do they do in there, but they have like little magic little fibers in there that literally will take all your makeup off and all you really need is water. I use a cleansing balm just to break it down and get it done easier and quicker, but these take off all of your makeup with just water. Again, I don't know what they do in here, but I'm glad they do. So I will save this for one of you guys to test out. So now we're gonna go with number 9 right here. This is a Tresemme Extra Hold Hairspray, number 4 out of 5 for the hold. So you do have that, so that's cool. There's a hairspray. This is definitely a little mixture in this one. You have hair and makeup products. So number 10 will be the big one right here. Ooh, Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. Natural Glow Finish. Number 1, makeup sponge, light to medium coverage. So there's that. And I don't use any liquid foundation, so I will save that for one of you guys as well. Number 11. These are the Ollie. I do like that brand. I haven't tried the beauty, so now I will. There's 2 gummies for beauty, healthy hair, skin, and nails. It has biotin, keratin, vitamin C, and vitamin E. So you have a sample packet of 2 gummies. Is there only 2 in there? 1, 2. Yep, there's 2 gummies in there for you to try out. And now number 12, the last and final door for this calendar, is a Pixie by Petra product. It says Endless Silky Eye Pin, and it's in the color Black Blue. So I'll probably stick this in my future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy, so it's not just sitting in my arsenal just looking pretty, but somebody can actually really use it. But that is a really nice, like a midnight dark blue color. So exciting. And that is Pixie by Petra. So for the 12 Days of Beauty, you have the Pixie by Petra eyeliner, you have the Tresemme hairspray, the Real Technique sponge, Winky Lux brow product, the NYX setting spray, you have the dry shampoo, there's this hair product, you have the makeup eraser, you have the 2-pack of gummies to test out, and then you have the 3 different e.l.f. products. You have the putty blush, the face duo, and then the lip gloss. All right, you guys, so that is everything for the 12 days of self-care and the 12 days of beauty. Again, both of them are $20. They are by Target, so they are available at Target. You can definitely check them out. If they're not available online, check your local store because they're just now starting to roll them out and stock them in shelves. So I personally, I'm kind of torn which one I would say would be the better one if I were to say, you know, if I just wanted to get one of them. The first one, I'm going to be using a lot more of the skincare and like the face cleansers and that kind of thing, where the other one, I'm going to be putting a lot of these in giveaways for you guys, but they are still amazing products. So at least you get to see both of them. You get to choose if you want one or both for you or for gifts. And now you will know what is in both of their 12-day calendars. So that is everything for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of them? Which one did you think was better? Did you like them both? Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.